You're probably wondering why I am in this funny position. Well, it's because I am making a book unboxing video. Wait. A different kind of boxing thing. Got a knife. Oh, you got to do this part. Because you got Cobra and like, I got a knife and I know how to use it. Always cut towards yourself, not away. I don't really remember what's in this box. It came from Amazon. And I know I sent it. Sauce sent me a couple of postcards, and we've all seen them, but I'm going to thank him again and again because how cool they were. And I'm going to start making my own video, my postcards, because I want to be almost as cool as Sauce. I don't know if anybody's got to be that cool. I need to find my coffee, so I'll be right back. Actually, my technique for shopping is if Walnut, aka Aspie, thinks it's cool, I'll buy it. Even if it's about clothes, that's for me. She has to approve, and she knows my taste because it's the same shit. Cool black t-shirt, overalls, or the overalls can be black or blue. The jeans have to be black because that's how I roll. Underwear, you don't need to know about that. I tell Aspie, not in a pervert way, just, you know what kind of underwear I wear? I wear that. Because we talk about everything. Except for sexy stuff. We don't discuss that. Because I won't allow that in my life. Nope. No. I do have pizza. Because oddly enough, I was talking to my social worker at that point. Because I think I found a way for me to get free money, and he needed to hear about it. And blah, blah, blah. It's free money. It's for me. So I can use money. I don't need a lot of it, but a little extra. A lot of it goes into the videos I make. So, not that never mind. Just I spend on it, not very much, but I'll spend more on because it's all cool stuff I use anyway. So, enough of that shit. But my building manager showed up, Charles, who's cool as hell, and he walked up, and he had a pizza box in his hand, and I thought he was jokingly going to hand it to me, but he meant it. And give me some piece of pizza. What a fucking guy. I yelled. Well, we didn't yell at each other. It was because of the asshole. And whatever. A lot of us have seen the videos with him, and not the manager, but with the wingnut in the alley, which I think are spectacular. And it's on the other channel. Not on my channel. Check out the Bean Wizard. That's me too. I'm many things. So, unboxing time, he said. Pens. Yes, old pens. These are going to be cheap bastards. I got to use them up quick because they're going to dry up in about no second. I need better ones, but whatever. This is for a start. So, see. Both Sauce and Aspie are going like, he's got pens. He's going to do something with those damn things, ain't he? Fucking A. But what? These things. The backbone of my crappy art. Sauce has good art. I have crappy stuff, but I'll have fun with it. And then Aspie's gonna say, oh yeah, a bajillion, well, not literally, a great many disposable paintbrushes. all things will be made clear by the multiple reasons I need for these things to exist and be in my life. I'm going to save that for last. Hopefully, the next box. Oh, holy crap, this is heavy. Box number 2. We see there's other stuff here, but we're not going there yet, are we? You want to build suspense, I'd like that. My cigarette went out. If you're a first-time viewer, which doesn't happen that often, but I sure do like it when it does. Thank you for being in my channel and subscribe and all that shit, please, because I'm an old man. I'm pathetic, and I need encouragement. My last days on Earth. Knife. And I keep forgetting to turn on the Cobra noises in the background. Okay. You can actually tear this Amazon. What else we got in? I don't have everything I want. Shit! Well, that's stuff. That's stuff. Okay. Don't get any funny ideas. Chili. No beans. I will use it for a base for recipes a lot. Oh, fucking lot. That's great stuff. Yeah, it's not real chili that you make in Texas. Well, you know, it's going to be different when I add a bunch of stuff to it. It's not doctoring it up. It's just using it for a base for totally new things. Some people need to get over their snobbishness when it comes to cooking. I like using prepared foods because I like using prepared foods, but I do all kinds of weird stuff. Love it, hate it, get over it. It's America, damn it. This one is really for saucy. Need I say more sauce? That the marvels that will be accomplished with this. I think I'm going to snort it and Aspie too. She's like, all right, you got some aspic. I forgot what she calls it in the other parlance, but it's very nutritious and good for all kind of stuff, and she loves it. I don't have all my things yet, but I'm going to go ahead and show you anyway. This is Matte Finish glow-in-the-dark paint. Perfect. Glow-in-the-dark paint. What I'm going to finally be doing with it, hopefully a lot, Sauce will figure it out, so I'm going to be making postcards. They glow in the fucking dark, man. I may not have talent, but I have glow stuff. And it comes in Sauce and Aspie. Again, we'll go crazy. Cobra Green. Cobra Green. Glow in the dark paint. I have found the most goth cobra substance on the planet. That's mine. Not that expensive, really. I mean, it's like, well, it's $7. It's going to go a long ways. You can actually, that's acrylic, but it dilutes. Acrylic can dilute. It can be used as, I like acrylic because you can use it as what kind of style of, I can't remember. At the top of my fucking watercolor. You can use this Cobra as a, you can use acrylic as a watercolor. My mom taught me that when I was going to a complete breakdown in my 20s, early 20s. She got me a bunch of acrylic paints and stuff like that. And because, you know, my father, who I didn't know, but it's kept him from killing himself. So I painted my brains out, did collage. I was never good at it, but I had a lot of fun. And I learned how to really fake some art, which is I'm going to be doing again, not for my own therapy, but I'm going to just do it because it's fun, and I want to be able to send stuff to people, and I'm not going to be charging money. People want to do the art cards, more power to them. It's just something I'm very disinclined to do. I've been around a bunch of people who did postal art, and it was never specifically never to be bought and sold. But that's all changed. Traditions change. Postal art in itself, these larger three-dimensional stuff, fourth dimensional to a degree, it gets a little expensive, but that's supposed to be sold to museums and other stuff because it's amazing stuff I couldn't possibly do, but I'm going to try and fake it anyway, eventually, maybe. But that'll keep that because I really want to start trading back and forth with artists who also create art, and money doesn't change hands. So there's some people I want to do. At least Sauce has sent me some just fucking so cool. He has no idea what a kick it's given me, what a boost. Well, Aspie does because I've talked to enough about it. Okay, so cool. See, he sent me. And the portrait of me is pretty damn good, but the Cobra one is magnificent. It should be a t-shirt. I'm glad I sent it to you guys to see on Discord. Probably here too. I imagine it will. I'll do that. Maybe sooner than later. What if I have a handy? Kind of a wreck that I see. Deal with it. Is it over here? You gotta do this so I don't. That's me. I can't find it off the top of my hand. I know it's right here somewhere. Let's look. I can't dox myself because it wouldn't matter. You guys want to dox me? Fucking go ahead. What is it gonna get you? Well, I can't find it. So hold the phone. Well, I'm gonna have to find that. I know it's in my room. Nothing's taken it out of here. I'm just cluttered up to my eyeballs. In addition to other stuff. I've actually been busy for a couple of hours. Planning session with a Boglum over the phone, which I seldom do. Tried that with Sauce, but phone was being cute. There's a way around that. I'll talk to Sauce about that some other time. So, yeah, that's my unboxing, and I will find that portrait of Cobra, which I have digitally, and I can find that. However, I want to find the real thing because I'm starting to a Mylar exhibit because I'm going to start decorating with Boglum. Oh, only Boglum. Only Boglum is worthy. Only Boglum matters. Oh, that and Catholic stuff. Oh, that'll be there too. Sorry, Cobra. I love you anyway, Cobra, but yeah, that's where I draw the line. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Let's see if this worked out really well. Let's see. Maybe it's good.